Exercise 4.3. Question number 10. Exercise 4.3, question number 10. An express train takes 1 hour less than a passenger train to travel 132 km between Mysore and Bangalore without taking into consideration the time they stop at intermediate station. If the average speed of express train is 11 km per hour more than the passenger train, find the average speed of two train. Let average speed of passenger train be x kilometer per hour. After increase, the speed of express train is 11 km per hour more than the passenger train. Now what will be the speed of express train? Please tell me. And speed of express train will be, please tell me. X plus 11 km per hour. Any doubt, any problem? If speed of express train is 11 km per hour more than the passenger train, so time taken by express train is 1 hour less than the passenger train. Total distance covered is, how much distance covered by the train? 132. Total distance covered. How much? 132 km. Okay? 132 km.
Yes, sir.
Okay. According to question. 132 distance covered by speed x km per hour, so time is here. If distance is divided by speed, so time is there. Now distance 132 divided by x plus 11. Okay?
Yes.
In this case, you are observing here that in this case speed is more, x plus 11 km per hour in comparison of x. So in this case express train will take 1 hour less than passenger train. To equalize it,
We will do plus 1 on 132 upon x.
No. 132 by x, in this case express train will take 1 hour more, but in 132 by x plus 11 express train will take 1 hour less than passenger train, because in this case the speed is greater than this. If speed will greater than x, time will be reduced by 1 hour. To equalize it, what will you do?
We will add 132 upon x plus 1 is equal
add 1 to this side. Why? Why?
Because sir, in this side 1 hour less.
In this case, speed is more. In this case, speed is more in comparison of x. If speed will be more, time will be reduced. Here, 1 hour. This case will take 1 hour less in comparison of it. To equalize it, we will add to this side. Okay. One concept is this,
Yes.
and second concept is out of x and x plus 11, who is greater? Out of x and x plus 11, who is greater? X plus 11 is greater. In this case, speed is greater, so we'll add 1 to greater side. जिस साइड में स्पीड क्या है ग्रेटर होती है उस साइड में +1 कर देंगे, क्योंकि वहां पे टाइम रिड्यूस हो जाता है. ओके.
सर ये रूल है क्या कि जिस साइड में ग्रेटर होगा उस साइड में ऐड करेंगे?
जिस साइड में स्पीड अधिक होगी उस साइड में टाइम कम नहीं लगेगा. लिसन टू मी. आप यहां से लखनऊ जा रहे हो, ठीक है. एक आपके पास क्या है, दो गाड़ी है. एक की स्पीड क्या है 90 किलोमीटर पर आवर है और एक की स्पीड 40 किलोमीटर पर आवर है. डिस्टेंस तो सेम है, यहां से लखनऊ की जो डिस्टेंस वो सेम है, डिफरेंट तो नहीं हो सकती. पहले कौन सी पहुंचेगी? हु विल रीच फर्स्ट? प्रगति, एम आई ऑडिबल टू यू?
Sir, the train has speed express 11. Yes, sir, you are audible. I just understood that if the speed is greater, then the time taken will also be great.
टाइम लेट हो जाएगा. अगर स्पीड क्या है, अगर क्या है आपके पास अधिक होगी, टाइम लेट हो जाएगा. एक कार है, इसकी स्पीड कितनी है 40 किलोमीटर पर आवर है. सेकंड कार आपके पास है, उसकी स्पीड क्या है 90 किलोमीटर पर आवर है. टाइम किसमें कम लगेगा?
90 किलोमीटर पर आवर.
हाँ, तो टाइम यहाँ कम लग रहा है ना अभी.
90 किलोमीटर पर आवर.
हाँ, तो 90 किलोमीटर पर आवर में टाइम कम लग रहा है ना. तो यहाँ पे अगर टाइम कम लग रहा है तो उसमें कम उसको ऐड करेंगे उसमें.
स्पीड
जिस साइड के
ज्यादा
अंदर,
होगी उसमें तो टाइम कम लगेगा.
हाँ, तो उसी में ऐड करेंगे. अब समझ में नहीं आया?
आ गया सर.
Okay. Now it becomes now 132 by x minus 132 x plus 11 is equal to 1. 132 as x as a 132 as a common factor, it becomes 1 by x minus 132 by x plus 11 is equal to 1. Sorry, that is 1. It becomes minus 1 by x plus 11. Okay. Now x and x plus 11 is the LCM. It becomes 1 by 132. 132 divided by this. Okay. Now x minus x. So it is cancelled out. Okay, now x into x square plus 11x. 11 into 132. 11 2s are 22. 2 carry.
1452, sir. 1452.
Okay.
1452.
X square plus 11x minus 1452 equal to 0. Now make two factors such that multiplication of two factors will be minus 1452
Sir, the factors
and
are
subtraction will be 11.
44x and 33x. Plus 44x minus 33x.
Plus
44x
x plus 44x minus 33x. Okay. X as a common factor, x plus 44 minus 33. X plus 44 equal to 0. X plus 44 and x minus 33 equal to 0. So x becomes minus 44 and 33. Speed of train can never be negative. Speed of train
hence x is equal to minus 44 is rejected.
can never be negative. So x is equal to minus 44 is rejected. Okay. Therefore, speed of passenger train B x, that is 33 km per hour. Okay, and speed of express train will be speed of
44 km per hour.
express train will be x plus 11. 33 plus 11 is equal to 44 km per hour. Okay, do it fast.
Yes, sir.
Question number 11. Sum of area of two square. There are two square. One is greater and another is smaller. Okay. This side will be x meter.
मैम बस ऐसे ही रख दीजिए, हम लोग रख लेंगे। और भी है ना,
That is PQRS. Okay. Please tell me what is area of square ABCD. Area of square ABCD. What will be?
X square.
And x square. And area of square PQRS. Y square.
Y square.
Okay. Perimeter of square ABCD.
4x.
4x. Perimeter of square PQRS. 4y.
4y.
Okay. sum of areas of two square. Sum of areas of two square according to first condition.
X square plus y square.
Very good.
X square plus y square to
According to first condition, we get
Yes, अभी
x square plus y square is equal to 468. Equation first. Any doubt, any problem?
no sir. No sir.
Okay. According to second condition, if the difference of their perimeter is 24 meter, difference in
4x
perimeter,
minus 4y equals to 4.
here x is greater than y. We are considering here that. Okay. According to second condition, difference in perimeter is equal to 24 meter.
4x minus 4y equals to 4.
4x minus 4y is equal to 24. Okay. 4 as a common factor. X minus 11 is equal to 24. 4 1s are 4, 4 6s are 24. Okay. Now x is equal to 6 plus y. That is second equation. Any doubt, any problem?
No sir. No
Okay.
sir.
Now we will convert equation in one variable. Quadratic equation in one variable. The next step will be, please tell me.
Putting the value of x in equation 1.
Okay, yes, very good, yeah. Now putting value of x from equation second in equation first. Putting value of x from equation second in equation first. Now equation first will convert into variable y. Okay.
X plus y whole square plus y square equals to 450.
Y square is equal to 468.
Is
Okay. Now what is a plus b whole square?
a square plus b square plus 2.
Okay. A square plus b square plus 2ab and that is y square 468. 36 plus y square plus 12y plus y square is equal to 468. Okay. Now y square plus y square,
2y
twice of y square. Okay.
square.
Okay. Twice of y square, 12y plus 36 minus 468 equal to 0.
Two common.
Wait, 2y square 12y minus 8 minus 432. 2 as a common factor. Y square plus 6y minus 216 equal to 0. Now quadratic equation will be y square plus 6y minus 216 equal to 0.
Minus 2.
Now it becomes a quadratic equation in variable y.
Yes sir.
Now make two factors such that multiplication of two factor will be minus 216 and subtraction will be plus 6.
Sir, it will be
minus 12y minus 216 equal to 0. What is common factor in first two term? What is common factor in last two terms?
Y.
Y is common.
Y in this one and 12 minus that.
Okay, yes. Y plus 18. Okay. Now y plus 18 as a common
Y
factor.
minus 12.
Y minus 12 equal to 0. Now there are two values of y, that is minus 18 and 12. Length of side can be negative.
No, sir.
Okay. Now length of side can never be negative. Length of side can never be negative. So y is equal to minus 18 is rejected. Okay. Therefore, side of second square b. Side of second square b. Side of second square b.
अरे वो फाइन तो गिर गए नीचे। हाँ, और तीसरे मतलब जैसे फाइन नहीं लगा होगा। उसी का होगा कोई। ठीक है? और बाकी सब में लगे हैं।
Therefore, side of second square b. Side of second square b. Second square b.
उनके नहीं लगा।
12 meter. And side of first square b. And side of first square b. That is x. And
6 plus 1. 18.
y plus 6 meter. And x is equal to y is 12 plus 6. That is 18 meter. 12 plus 6 is 18 meter. Okay. A motorboat whose speed is 18 km per hour in still water takes 1 hour more to go 24 km upstream than to return downstream to the same spot. Find the speed of the stream. Okay. Let example number 15. Let speed of stream be x kilometer per hour and speed of motorboat is given. What is? How much? 18 km per hour. Now speed of downstream will be, please tell me.
X plus 18.
Speed of downstream will be
X plus 18. X plus 18.
okay. Now speed of motorboat is 18 plus x kilometer per hour. Okay. Speed of upstream will be
18 minus x kilometer.
upstream will be yes. इस क्वेश्चन में जो बच्चे ब्लंडर मिस्टेक करते हो क्या करते हैं पता आपको? बताइए क्या करते हैं?
This is x plus okay, what the speed of what speed.
You have to keep
तो
in
वो
mind.
x की जगह माइनस साइन लगा देते हैं x माइनस.
Listen to me. You have to keep in mind. We will subtract the speed of stream from speed of boat. स्पीड ऑफ बोट में से स्पीड ऑफ स्ट्रीम को माइनस करते हैं. ठीक है. इस केस में हमेशा क्या है, स्पीड ऑफ जो स्ट्रीम होती है ना, स्पीड ऑफ बोट होती है वो हमेशा अधिक होती है. ठीक है. दैट इज 18 माइनस एक्स. एम आई राइट और रॉन्ग? This concept is clear?
Yes, sir.
A motor boat whose speed is 18 km per hour still water takes 1 hour more to go upstream. Upstream में 1 hour अधिक लगता है in comparison of downstream to cover the distance of 24 km/h. Total distance covered. Total distance covered. How much distance covered? 24 km. Okay. According to question. Now, concept is distance by speed is time. Distance by speed is time, and distance by speed is time. Okay. ये आपके पास क्या है? ये
Yes,
क्या
sir.
है? आपके पास डाउनस्ट्रीम है और ये आपके पास अपस्ट्रीम है. अपस्ट्रीम में क्या है? स्पीड कम है और डाउनस्ट्रीम में स्पीड क्या है? अधिक है. 18 plus x and 18 minus x. It is clear that 18 plus x is greater than 18 minus x. Okay. How can you equalize it?
Yes. So 24 plus 18 minus 5, 18 minus 6.
जो 1 ऐड होगा वो किस साइड में ऐड होगा?
So we will do cross multiplication. 1 in
प्रगति listen to me. ये इक्वल है.
So we will add 1 in the right hand side.
Right hand side.
Yes, sir.
18 minus x.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
In 18
So
minus
we will add 1 on the left hand side.
left hand side.
So we will add 1 in 24 by 18. Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay, that is plus 1. Plus 1. Shriya.
Yes, sir.
ये प्लस 1 मैंने इस साइड में ऐड क्यों किया है? पता आपको ये बात?
Yes, sir. क्योंकि सर स्पीड यहाँ पे ज़्यादा है तो टाइम कम लगता है.
Yes. Okay, now 1 is equal to 24. 18 minus x minus 24. 18 plus x. Now 24 as a common factor. 1 upon 18 minus x minus 1 upon 18 plus x. Solve it. It means 1 upon 24. 18 minus x. 18 plus x. Now it becomes 18 plus x minus 18 minus x. Okay. 1 by 24. 18 plus x minus 18 plus x. A minus b, a plus b.
A square minus B square.
Okay. It is cancelled out. 1 by 24, it becomes twice of x. 3 under 24 minus x square. Okay. Now it becomes 324 minus x square and 48x. As you know that the coefficient of x square should be positive. What will you do?
जरा पूछिए हरिओम
So we'll take -1 as common.
Now we'll transfer minus x square plus 48x minus 324 equal to 0. Okay. Now make two factor
Quadratic equation.
such that multiplication of two factor will be minus 324 and subtraction will be 48 plus 48. Please tell me.
Yes, sir, calculated.
Yes. 54 and 6.
Yes, sir.
Plus 54 minus 6. X as a common factor, x plus 54 minus 6 as a common factor, x plus 54 equal to 0. Okay. Now x plus 54 as a common factor, x minus 6,
X minus 6.
x is equal to minus 54 and that is 6. Okay. Minus 54 will be
ऐसे ही कर दो
minus 54 will be
सब ऐसे कर दो सबका इजी रहेगा
minus 54 will be
हाँ
any response? Negative. Minus 54 is negative. What will you do?
ये
नहीं होगी मेरी
Reject.
Reject.
ये वाली तो चेक है
Okay.
उसको लग
Any doubt? Any problem?
No, sir.
Okay.
आंसू पालन की रिकवरी चेक
ऐसे ना सामने लगा सकते हैं चेक करके हम वापस नहीं करते हैं तो बच्चे
So it complete.